Scientists discover evidence of water on minor planet X.
A team of researchers has discovered evidence of water on minor planet X, a small celestial body located in the outer reaches of our solar system.
The finding, which was published in the journal Science, has important implications for our understanding of the early solar system and the potential for habitable environments in the universe. The team used data from the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, a powerful radio telescope located in Chile. To study the composition of minor planet X specifically, they looked for the presence of water molecules in the planet's thin atmosphere. "We were surprised to find that there was water on minor planet X," said Dr. Jane Smith, lead author of the study and a planetary scientist at the University of California, Berkeley. "Water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, and finding it on a small, rocky planet like this is very exciting." The team found that minor planet X has a very thin atmosphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. However, they also detected the presence of water molecules in the planet's upper atmosphere. The researchers believe that the water is being released from the planet's interior, either through volcanic activity or through the sublimation of ice on the planet's surface. "Water is a very volatile molecule, meaning it can easily evaporate and escape into space," explained Dr. Smith. "The fact that we detected it in minor planet X's atmosphere suggests that there must be a source of water on the planet itself." The discovery of water on minor planet X is significant because it adds to the growing body of evidence that suggests water is common in the solar system. In recent years, water has been detected on a number of other celestial bodies, including the Moon, Mars, and several of Jupiter's moons. Water is a critical component for the formation of life, and finding it on other planets and moons in our solar system increases the likelihood that life may exist elsewhere in the universe, said Dr. Smith. The discovery also has important implications for our understanding of the early solar system. Scientists believe that the planets and other celestial bodies in our solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust that surrounded the young sun. By studying the composition of these objects, researchers can learn more about the conditions that existed during the early stages of the solar system's formation. "Water is a key marker for understanding the history of the solar system," said Dr. Smith. "The fact that we found it on minor planet X suggests that water was present in the cloud of gas and dust that gave rise to the planets and other objects in our solar system." Researchers identify rare mineral on minor planet Y.
A team of researchers has identified a rare mineral on minor planet Y, a small celestial body located in the outer solar system.
The discovery, which was published in the journal Nature, has important implications for our understanding of the formation and evolution of planets and other objects in our solar system. The mineral, called olivine, is a silicate that is commonly found in rocks on Earth and other planets. However, olivine is very rare in the outer solar system, and this is the first time it has been detected on a minor planet located beyond the orbit of Neptune. "We were surprised to find olivine on minor planet Y," said Dr. John Doe, lead author of the study and a planetary geologist at the University of Arizona. "This mineral is a key component of many types of rocks, and its presence on minor planet Y tells us a lot about the planet's history and how it formed." To identify the mineral, the team used data from the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope, two powerful instruments that are capable of detecting the composition of distant objects in the solar system. The researchers analyzed the light emitted by minor planet Y and found a characteristic spectral signature that is associated with olivine. "We were able to confirm the presence of olivine on minor planet Y using a technique called spectroscopy," explained Dr. Doe. "This technique allows us to identify the composition of materials based on their spectral signature, or the unique pattern of light that they emit or absorb." The discovery of olivine on minor planet Y is significant because it provides new insights into the early stages of the solar system's formation. Scientists believe that the planets and other celestial bodies in our solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust that surrounded the young sun. By studying the composition of these objects, researchers can learn more about the conditions that existed during the early stages of the solar system's evolution. Olivine is a key mineral in many types of rocks, and its presence on minor planet Y suggests that the planet may have formed from the same kind of material as the inner planets like Earth and Mars, said Dr. Doe. This is a significant finding because it means that the outer solar system may have played a more important role in the formation of the inner planets than previously thought. The discovery of olivine on minor planet Y also has implications for our understanding of the potential for life on other planets. Scientists believe that olivine is an important mineral for the formation of clay minerals, which can provide a hospitable environment for microbial life. New study reveals surprising magnetic field on minor planet Z.
A new study published in the journal Science has revealed that minor planet Z, a small celestial body located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, has a surprising magnetic field.
This discovery has important implications for our understanding of the formation and evolution of minor planets and asteroids in our solar system. The study was led by Dr. Jane Smith, a planetary scientist at the California Institute of Technology, who used data from the NASA Dawn spacecraft to study the magnetic field of minor planet Z. The spacecraft, which orbited minor planet Z between 2011 and 2012, was equipped with a magnetometer that was able to detect the planet's magnetic field. "We were surprised to find that minor planet Z had a magnetic field," said Dr. Smith. "This is the first time a magnetic field has been detected on a minor planet in the asteroid belt, and it was completely unexpected." Magnetic fields are typically associated with larger celestial bodies like planets, and they play a crucial role in shaping a planet's atmosphere and protecting it from solar wind and other harmful particles. However, minor planets and asteroids are typically too small to generate a magnetic field of their own. The team initially thought that the magnetic field on minor planet Z might be caused by the presence of metallic minerals in the planet's core. However, further analysis revealed that the magnetic field was actually being generated by the interaction between the planet's surface and the solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles that flows out from the Sun and interacts with the magnetic fields of planets and other celestial bodies, explained Dr. Smith. "We believe that the magnetic field on minor planet Z is being generated by the interaction between the solar wind and the planet's surface. The discovery of a magnetic field on minor planet Z is significant because it suggests that even small celestial bodies in the solar system can have complex and dynamic interactions with their environment.